voices actually, because Lata caught up with celebrated economist Willem Buiter last evening, and he says that the lack of fiscal stimulus in the US is also something that will be weighing on the dollar in the future.
If we go back to a situation where the markets believe that the size fiscal stimulus that they thought was going to happen early in the year is indeed going to materialize, so they revise upwards from where they are currently, then the dollar will undoubtedly strengthen. Long rates would go up as well. You see 3+. Right? But again, while this is possible, right, and it is not likely. So I think that the dollar, well, it is not going to weaken relative to other currencies whose sovereigns will have even smaller fiscal stimuli and still have expansionary rather than a tightening monetary policy. I think it is unlikely to be a fierce beast. I doubt whether that is going to happen. In any case, Korea will not become, I think, a critical issue until a year, maybe 2 years from now. The time horizon experts tell us between today and the day at which they can send a nuclear warhead into the American West Coast is probably at least 3 years away. So that's not an issue yet. But there are accidents that can happen. There's upside risk. I agree with that. If business sentiment remains optimistic, if Mr. Trump turns out to be able to deliver on some of his fiscal sort of hopes and desires, then we could have stronger growth. In my own, this is my personal view, I think our Citi experts are slightly more uppish on oil. I think it would take a huge departure from the world as I see it in the next 2 or 3 years for oil to get anywhere near $70 a barrel.
All right, let's take a quick break. When we come back, we'll focus